Hi people, this is Pareen Narayan and I work as a cosmetologist with Revive Aesthetic Clinic, Bangalore. Now Deepa has asked me a very interesting question where she mentioned it that how can such simple single ingredients from the kitchen help in rejuvenation of your skin. I'll explain it to you in a very simple manner. When a patient comes to us for a skin procedure or a treatment, a very commonly practiced treatment is chemical peeling. Now these chemicals are in a very concentrate form. Okay, when applied it on your face, it helps in exfoliating the top layer of your skin, and whatever the next layer resurfaces from your skin, it is much softer, better textured, even toned and nourished and healthy skin. Okay. Now this happens in the phase of 20 to 25 days. Every session is at the interval of around 20 to 25 days and 6 to 8 sessions are recommended. What is the base of these chemicals? They are natural. No side effects definitely, but has to be done by professionally in an aesthetic environment only. Now this comes in various percentages. What I have requested you to do is use dairy products. It's nothing but very commonly used peel as lactic peel and milky peel, arrived from milk and curd. There are vegetable peels and fruit peels too, like pumpkin peel, mango peel, citric peel, glycopeel, which comes in all different percentages and have to be used depending upon the need and objective of the patient to get the best result. We cannot get that chemicals at home, but what we have at home is the base of that. Even if we can give a nourishment to our skin with that small percentage, trust me, it works. So when I asked you to use your dairy products like milk and curd on your face, or apply fruit on your face whenever you are cutting the fresh fruit, that is to give your continuous hydration and nourishment to your skin on a daily basis. It is called maintenance of your skin. Within 2 to 3 weeks of time, the changes that you will see is glowing skin, even tone. Your skin will look more fresh, soft. It will start glowing. Yes, you will not see a magic in your skin, but what you will see is better than what you have right now. So it is said that when you maintain your skin on a regular basis, you will find the results. So during this lockdown period, if you are getting a chance to know or make your skin more hydrated and beautiful, why not do that, right? But if you tell me, Pareen, I applied haldi and the curd once and nothing later on, trust me, it won't work for you. You know why? Because you did not do it consistently. The key to maintaining your skin is consistency. So if you are not consistent in what you are applying to your face or your skin on a daily basis, it is of no use. The day you stop it, the day your skin will also stop responding. It will start damaging. You will have dull skin, you will have uneven tone, you will have sun tanning on your face. Yes, these are the common problems that you will see, and your skin will not be in a very happy place. You want a happy skin, make sure you take a few minutes from your busy day routine and make sure you are able to use the simple ingredients. I hope I have answered this question of yours, Deepa, where I have backed up all the ingredients with the science, where science and the chemicals also which are being used for the treatment and procedures at a clinical level has a base somewhere and rooted to our kitchen itself. So why not give that nourishment in a small percentage every day to our skin? Let's do that, friends. Let's do that. Okay. So keeping this in mind, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy. And when we meet after the lockdown, we'll sit down for the procedures and the treatments to discuss. Okay? Till then, bye bye.